Hello, welcome to my cubeless cooking. My name is Adeze. This is the only channel where we cook without cubes, and yes, that is the healthiest way to cook and to feed. Can you cast your mind back in the olden days with our grandmothers? If you ever lived with your grandmother, you notice that they do not have add all the seasoning cubes in their food, but they have add things like ungiri, iru, ukwe, those natural spices. That's what they used, and they lived healthy and strong and long. Guys, it is time to go back to that era. Lots of health conditions and all of that you can control with just cooking with the nature, just being in touch with the nature. It's no magic. And yes, guys, today we are having bitter leaf soup with cocoyam paste. Bitter leaf soup can come in, you can have different proteins in your bitter leaf soup. You can have chicken, bitter leaf soup, beef, goat meat, dry fish, stockfish, or you can have all of the proteins added to it. But today we are just doing beef and goat meat bitter leaf soup, guys, sticking with cocoyam paste, the real raw one, not the powdered one. Everything is real, nature, guys, and I urge you to come cook with me. You will be learning a lot, and if you haven't smashed the red subscribe button, just do so right now so you are a member of this family. Kindly share this video with your families and friends and let them know the importance of staying in tune with nature. Let's get right into the kitchen. So guys, we're starting. The first thing to be done here is to fry a little onion with the palm oil that is being going to use for the soup. The pot is dried. We'll pour in some quantity of red oil. So while the oil is a bit heated up, just add some salt. Then add the onion. This will be fried till this onion is a bit browny. I mean, it has to be dried, kind of, and shrink. Observe that it's shrunken now. Okay, so once this is achieved, the next thing will just be to pour in our stock and start cooking. Water for the soup. Okay, so I just added the water to the quantity I want, and we're actually cooking now. So this is the cocoyam paste. You just add it in. You add it on time so that it can start dissolving. You can also use banga extract for this. That's palm fruit extract if you don't want to use red oil. Then this also has got the powdered form. You can use the powdered form, but it doesn't give the taste that this fresh and cooked one gives. So you have to make do with a lot of crayfish and natural spices. Now I'm just going to add some Ghana pepper. You have to be careful because this pepper is hot. And also I am using uziza seed, and that seed also is hot, it's spicy, so that helps me to mind the way I put my pepper too. Now I just added some crayfish. Then I add some salt. Okay. This is uziza seed, grounded uziza seed. Alright. And at this point, I'm just going to add the protein. So what I have here is mixture of cow meat and goat meat, and then some stock fish breast or something. I don't know, like stuff like this, all those flakes, stock fish flakes. And why I'm adding it now is because I overcooked it when I was parboiling it. So I'm trying to avoid it further getting too tender. So this is pure traditional bitter leaf with cocoyam paste soup. You know, you can cook your bitter leaf soup with achi as the thickener, or for as the thickener, even egusi as the thickener, but this is the real local one. So this is the ogiri I will be using. Alright. Here. This thing can drag flies. I don't know how, I don't know from where, but hey, this thing. So I'm going to try to dissolve it. Now, assuming I blended some stuffs like crayfish, I would have just thrown it in and blend everything together. So, but hey, this way it will also melt. Sorry, this cocoyam paste seems to be small for this quantity of water that I added, but I will still have to cook it longer to get it to dry off a bit. They are just the long, you see the type, they are long, yeah? So when you want to make the real bitter leaf soup, it should be long like this. It shouldn't be those ones that looks like they are diced. No. This one, when you're eating it, you take your fufu and you get it this way. It's just very long. I'm adding some more crayfish and some salt. Okay, the last thing to go in now, guys, is uziza leaf. And at this point, after 1 or 2 minutes of simmering, the soup is done. Now, all of these spices, yeah, is to help add taste and aroma, okay? Because we are doing cubeless, no MSG. So you have to know your spices and what they do for you. So 1 more minute and the soup is ready. So guys, this is done. This is done. And trust me, it's so delicious. So delicious, guys. So delicious. So delicious. So I'm just going to serve it with some Vita Gari. Guys, it's ready. Come and join me. This is bitter leaf soup with cocoyam paste. Yeah, as the thickener. Thank you for joining me in this video. So guys, let's eat. You see what I was telling you, that this is long. Can you see it? You can see it, right? So that is the beauty of this soup. So it will make you use your thumb, finger to eat. This is nice, guys. Please try it. Try it. Eat healthy. So this is where we'll call it a day. Till I see you in my next one. Stay safe. And tell me when you try this. Bye-bye.